Yesterday on Halton News, we showed you part one of my interview with Natalie Pierre, where the Burlington MPP reflected on the ups and downs of 2025. If you missed it, it's online, as all of our stories are, at youtube.com/yourtvhalton. Today, part two of that interview, where we push the conversation forward to the upcoming year, and I asked if there was one issue, file, or project that, if completed by the year's end, MPP Pierre would consider 2026 to be a success.
Well, that's a great question. I think there's quite a few for me.
Okay.
I don't know that they will be completed within a year. Um, but I will say, so we are going to put out a survey again this year, because I think it's important for me to get a read on what the local Burlington community is looking for. I'll continue to work on the healthcare file, looking for more attachment to family healthcare here in Burlington. We have a large number of primary care physicians, primary care attachments. So people finding a family doctor here in Burlington, we're very fortunate. We have a large number of doctors who are accepting patients. Where I'd like to see some improvement is in terms of the number of family health teams. So those are more kind of, I describe those as a one door to many door approach, where you open a door and inside the door there's access to nurse practitioners, access to occupational therapists, mental health counseling, a primary care physician, perhaps a dietitian or a physiotherapist. So I'd like to see an expansion of family health teams in Burlington. We were successful in I'm going to say 2025 or 2024, or at least in that fiscal year. So I'd like to see more of that come to Burlington, because I think we see better patient outcomes and improved quality of life for residents in Burlington. So that's something that I continue to work on locally, and also transit. Transit is an issue, both expansion of public transit, be that with the GO train, improving and increasing service to the frequency of GO trains that come into Burlington. I know we're also working on electrifying the Lakeshore West rail track. So that's some pretty exciting news, kind of on both on the transit and environmental side.